Hello guys, welcome back. Some days back, I made a video on a platform where you can make up to $30 and above just by using your skill to train AI. Maybe you are a graphic designer, a web developer, someone that is good in content writing with English. You can apply for on those platforms to be training their AI and they will pay you a very good amount of money for it. And in this video, I'm bringing on that platform similar to that one because right now I've been seeing that there are a lot of similar platforms that a lot of people have been using to make money since just by training AI, and most of us are not getting the audit quick. But you know that is what we do here. Any audit at all, we come to this channel to share it. So make sure to watch this video to the very end so you know what this platform is all about, how to register on this platform, how to make money from this platform, and also how to withdraw your money from this platform. Because I'll be giving a detailed explanation on everything. I won't be leaving any part out. So if this is something that you have been looking for, go to the comment section and type passive income in the comment section so that I will know those of you that are following me. Go to the comment section and type passive income right now. So now that you have done with that, let's dive into it. Before we explore the platform, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Solo Wise, and this channel teach about content creation, YouTube growth, and also how to make money online. So if that is something that you have been looking for, something that you love, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because if you don't hit that subscribe button, you are missing a lot, because on this channel, we bring out update upon update on how to make money online. So if you know that you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to as many as possible. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that anytime I release video just like this, you'll be the first to notify. So without more further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is the platform I'm talking about, and you can get the link on my pinned comments. I will be pinning the link to this platform on my comments. Go there and you can click the link to get here. Once you get here, you can see that the interface is quite simple. Yes, very simple. Just as you can see, very simple for you to understand. You can just go through it and read, but I'll be showing you the most important one in the video. You can go through it yourself and check it out. So just as you can see at the down part here, domain experts earn from $50 to $100 plus per hour, and generalists earn $25 to $30 per hour. And I'll be explaining what these two mean for you very soon, so just calm down. So for you to get started or apply on any of the any job you want to do, first of all, just click on this three hamburger menu here. I mean this one here. Click on it. When you click on it, you see its domain. You can see the domain on the screen right now. This domain here, just click on it, and all the available jobs that you can do, they are here. You can see the first one is coding. You can apply if you know how to code. There's generally this will explain, but I will come back to that very soon. This is law. If you are a law student or you know anything about law, you can apply. If you're a mathematician, you know mathematics. If you're into medicine, physics, finance, accounting, legal, chemistry, and biology, you can apply. Yes. So coming back to this generalist is in case any of your profession is not here, anything that you do, in case it's not listed here, you can just click on this general. You can just click on this generalist to apply as a general person. Yes. So that means your role is not really that high. Yes, they will be paying you the same amount they are paying the other. The others are experts, while they regard you as just a general member. So you can just click on the general. For me, if graphic design was here, because since I'm a graphic designer, I would have applied as a graphic designer here, or a brand designer, I would have applied here, but it's not here. Since it's not here, and I don't know any other thing about here, I don't know coding, I don't know law, I know mathematics, but not that much. So let me just apply as a generalist. Look at it. So once you get here, you can see the starting price of a generalist is $25 to $30 plus per hour. Here, as you can see there. So to apply, just click on this apply as a generalist. Click on it. So once you click on that apply as a generalist, this page will open for you where you can either choose to continue with email, continue with Google, or you see, do you have an account already? You can use, if you already, that is for those that this is their second time, they already applied before, you can just use the sign in. So since this is the first time we are doing it, let's on this continue with Google. You can continue with email, but for me, Google is very fast, so I'll just use continue with Google. So this is it. Then I can just pick any of my email here. Once I click on any of my email, can click on continue. Then you click on accept terms and condition. This is it. Just click on it. Then you accept their terms and condition. You can read it if you want to read it. Yeah. Then this is it. You can see thanks for signing up. We do not have any projects to assign you at the moment. Our workflow can vary, so it's common to see available work for trade. So this is actually how it works. Now that you're a new member, they already have your email. So anytime they have work, they will be sending it to your email. So make sure you continue checking your emails every day, day by day. Make sure you check it so you know when they have a job available for you to do. So anytime they have a job, they will send it to your email. You just need to click on it and do their job, and you will be paid for it. So if you are wondering on how to withdraw your money from this platform, you can use PayPal to withdraw your money. Yes, as in Nigeria, you can use PayPal to withdraw your money. And thank God, PayPal is finally back in Nigeria and is working in Nigeria. If you don't know how to create your PayPal account, I've already made a video about that. Click the video that is showing on the screen right now and let's dive into it. See you on that video.